What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited for this restock. A lot of my favorite slimes that I've ever made are in this restock and I am pretty hyped for it. I was gonna say legit. I'm legit hyped. So of course you get 20% off your entire order if you order 2 or more slimes, and the first 5 orders are gonna get a free 6-ounce slime. But that is not all. We're also gonna be picking random orders as well on our Instagram page, so make sure you follow us at Unicorn Slime Shop to receive a free 8-ounce slime as well, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so the first slime is I Heart You Cake, and this one is obviously a clay cracking slime. I mean, come on, was that not satisfying? It was surely satisfying for me. So this texture is actually not brand new to the shop. I've actually stocked a couple of these before. I did a unicorn one, and I also did like a chocolate one, and I've also done a Halloween version of this as well. So basically this is just a cloud cream base with DIY clay on top, but it's not just normal clay, it is cracking clay. So it's super fun, great for ASMR, and it's really nice. This particular one here is scented just like black cherry birthday cake, which smells really good. Now I do have to give a couple of disclaimers for this slime first. So first of all, this slime is a oh my god, it's a clay cracking slime, so it does have that clay crack on top that you get to crack yourself. However, it is made with nail polish and clay, so if you are sensitive, you know, if your hands are sensitive and you can't touch nail polish without breaking out or anything, obviously this wouldn't be a good slime for you. But also the scent of it as well, at first when you first open the slime, because the clay cracking is on top, the cracking clay is what I meant to say, because the cracking clay, oh my god, is on top, you can't smell anything else but nail polish until you crack it, and then you get to like expose the slime basically. So once you mix it all together, it doesn't smell like nail polish, I promise. It smells just like the intended scent, which is black cherry birthday cake, and it actually smells really good. So I just wanted to give that disclaimer out there. You know, if you have any hand sensitivities, or if you don't like the smell of nail polish at the beginning, you know, it's definitely going to have that because there's a thick layer of nail polish on top of the slime. I just wanted to give you all a fair heads up, you know. Next up, another brand new slime is called Jar of Hearts, and yes, it is inspired by the song, obviously, and I just love this slime so much. So basically, it is exactly what it says. It is a jar of hearts. There's a bunch of heart glitters and also like heart-shaped fishbowl pieces. It's just super cute. I love it a lot. It is actually lightly scented as well. Even though it's clear, it's lightly scented just like fluffy pink candy, and it's really cool. It's like a half fishbowl, so there's fishbowl beads in there to make it a little crunchy. However, it's not a full fishbowl, so it's still really fun to stretch and all that. And of course, we can't have a restock without Baja Blast. So this here is one of my best sellers. It's actually my second best seller in the shop. It is a hybrid slime between a icy slime and a really drizzly like cloud dough. It's just really nice and fluffy. It's actually scented just like a Baja Blast soda as well, so like a really tropical Mountain Dew with blue raspberry notes and pineapple. It smells really nice, and I love it. You all love this in the shop as well. That's why we keep stocking it, so make sure to keep on snatching it. Red Velvet Crumbs is hands down my favorite scent here in this restock. It smells delicious, just like red velvet cake and cream cheese frosting with a little bit of chocolate. It smells so, so good. This is another hybrid textured slime. I said hybrid? Hybrid. I don't know what I said, but what I meant to say was it's a hybrid texture slime. So basically it is a snow fizz with a bunch of micro foam beads as well. It's super, super nice and crunchy, and it comes topped off with some white sprinkles, just like a little bit of a cookie would, and it's just cute. I love it. Lava Cake is another brand new slime to the shop, and obviously inspired by Valentine's Day and the iconic dessert that comes with it. So this one here is a layered slime. We have a chocolate jelly slime at the bottom to represent the inside or the lava of the lava cake, and then the cake part itself is actually a butter slime made with like a blend of 4 different clays. It's super, super nice and smooth and very, very nice, just saying. It's actually scented just like chocolate hot fudge brownies, and it smells amazing. I love mixing it together. It also comes with a little pack of cornstarch as well. It has very little because little goes a long way. So yeah, it's just really fun to mix. It's very interactive and DIY, and it does not actually mix on its way to you, so that's pretty cool too. And if it does mix, because it was shook around a little bit, all you have to do is let it sit and it will like separate. It should separate is what I should say. Stupid Cupid is another new slime to the shop. This one here is super, super cool. It's inspired by the Mandy Moore scene in Princess Diaries where she's singing the song Stupid Cupid. They're on the beach. I love that scene, so I definitely had to make a slime about it, inspired by it. So this here is a half floam slime with a semi-thick base. It's a school glue base, so it's really nice and creamy and also spreadable as well. Not spreadable, stretchable. I don't know why I can't do voiceovers today. I'm so sorry, but this slime is really nice. It's scented like a mixture of candy, so we added some Skittles scents, bubblegum scents, Jolly Rancher scents, and jelly bean scents, I believe. It smells really, really nice. It's like a mixture of a whole bunch of candy scents, and you can't go wrong with candy, am I right? And last but most certainly not least, we have Chanel number 2, my baby, my #1 bestseller in the shop. Y'all always snatch this one, and I love y'all for that. So this slime here is a thick and glossy slime scented just like bubblegum, but not just any bubblegum, Bubblicious bubblegum. It smells really, really nice. It's very thick and holdable. I definitely recommend this slime if you've never tried a slime from me, or if you're brand new to slime as well, because this one doesn't melt as fast, so you'll get a longer shelf life out of it. And also, if your hands are more warm, this one won't really melt in your hands as well. So this one's a pretty good starter slime, I would say, and it also looks and smells delicious, so why not? Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. The shop does open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time today, so make sure you go ahead and snatch, and don't forget you get 20% off your entire order if you order 2 or more slimes. So go and snatch those slimes, alright? Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!